Okay, we're getting to do a chicken here. Temperature is at about 150 degrees. Okay, go ahead and stick her in there. Get the legs under good. Just hold there for a bit and move the legs around under the water. Okay, now you can pull it out and dip it again. Okay, pull it out. Dip it one more time. Okay, check it. See if those feathers around top of the legs pull good. Okay, let's do a little bit more. Those wing feathers need a little bit more. Move it around in there. Okay, pull it. Okay, let's take it to the sticker in there. Go ahead and turn the water on. Okay, turn the switch on. Okay, fill the water. Okay, go ahead and pull the rest of the little feathers out of it. Okay, hold it up. Okay, looking good. Go put her in the water.
I think we're doing better than last year.
Yeah. That's ready to butcher.